Do you need to securely attach your grease gun so it is conveniently located and ready to use? On a cabinet, lube truck, machine, or on a wall? Lincoln's new heavy-duty grease gun mounting clamp is a problem solver. The extended mounting base fits multiple surface sizes and types. It is pre-drilled for an easy, strong, and dependable attachment. The clamp is designed for securely holding heavy-duty grease guns. It is easy to close and simple to open. The mounting clamp features a heavy-duty stamped steel design. The protective zinc plating provides the corrosion resistance needed for tools subjected to the weather. The clamp's large holding area closes tightly to the grease gun, preventing shifting and scratching. An optional latch provides a secondary security option for mobile applications. The mounting clamp fits all manual and pneumatic Lincoln grease gun models with standard 14-ounce 400-gram steel barrel. The Lincoln heavy-duty grease gun mounting clamp is a simple-to-use tool to securely hold grease guns when not in use. For more information, visit lincolnindustrial.com or contact your local distributor.